Today I'm gonna show you guys how I got 7 of these newborn ball pythons to eat frozen thawed rats. So basically, I put the rats in as hot as water as I could get out of the tap. This is the Brian Cusco way. And I found this to be very beneficial to getting my babies to eat, to get the hottest temperature you could get out of the tap. And also, on 3 of them, I only got 3 of them to eat frozen thawed in the beginning. I did have to feed the rest live, but after the first feeding live, they transitioned to frozen thawed pretty quickly. So I just want to let you guys know that part. All right, so we're gonna feed number 3 first. This is a Candino. This is gonna be one of my holdbacks, and you could tell she's already ready to get one of these rats. These are all pinky rats I'm feeding right now, and you'll see how good their feeding response is. Boom, just like that. Great feeding response. All right, let's move on to the next one. I know that number 2 doesn't have the best feeding response, but we'll go ahead and try him out. Let's see. Looks like he's ready. So let's see how this one acts. Let's see. Gonna take it. Boom, took it. And these are all frozen thawed, guys. And these are all my new babies. Let's move on to the next Candino. And this is gonna be my brother's Candino that he'll be taking. Let's see, hopefully, this one's not in the feeding stand, so it looks, it's not really in the, it's not telling me it's ready to eat yet. So let's see if he'll take a rat. Let's see. Oh wow, that one had a great feeding response. I wasn't ready for that one. Wow. So far we got 3 out of 3 eating. No refusals yet. Let's try number 4. Come on. Let's keep the ball rolling. All right, guys, let's see if this guy takes frozen thawed. Wow. What a great feeding response. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 have aided. Let's move on to 5. So this number 5 has been on live. Let's try it out. We'll give it a try. I try every time to feed frozen thawed when I'm feeding the rest. So let's go ahead and try this one out. Yeah, I don't think this, just by the way it's standing and or sitting, you can kind of tell who's gonna eat and who's not gonna eat. Let's try it out. Let's get the water off of there. You want to eat? Trying to shake it a little bit. Yeah, you could tell like it's completely different feeding response to the others. Once the others smelled it, they knew it was feeding time. Yeah, I'll leave this one alone and work on getting on that one onto frozen thawed. But so okay, so now let's 4 out of 5, guys. If you guys are counting, 1, 2, 3 of 8, 4, 8, 5 has an 8. Let's move on to 6. Oh yeah, so the 6 had a blown out shed here, but I'm pretty sure you'll still take a rat. I gotta soak this guy. Oh. You want it? Boom. All right. Let's make sure this is. All right, so we got, let's make sure that closes. Another one that ate, guys. Let's see, number 7, does he eat frozen Thawed? Yeah, so number 7 is a pastel, and it ate twice, I believe. I gotta double check. It ate twice. Frozen Thawed, or I think he ate live once and then frozen Thawed second time, and then refused the third. So I just keep on trying frozen Thawed until, you know, let's try frozen Thawed again. Yeah, let's see. This one's on the skinnier side, so if it refuses to take frozen Thawed, I will continue to offer live just so they're eating. So let's see. Let's see, guys, if it'll come to take. You're gonna take. Boom. All right, guys, let's close this one. I'm trying not to yell too much, but the ones that are a little bit finicky, I feel like my voice kind of stops them from eating. All right, so I know number 8, I'm pretty sure we'll eat. And is that gonna be my last rat? Because I know well, what I'll do is I know number 9 is a live feeder. Number 5 and number 9 are the ones that eat live. So let's just try number 9 before we feed number 8. I could always defrost another rat for number 8. So what we'll do is we'll try number 9 really quick, which is a normal ball python, and just to see if he'll take. No. All right, guys. Once you see them kind of refuse it, it's just best to leave them alone and not stress them out. All right, guys. Let's see if we finish off strong with number 8 with a normal ball python. I think we will. Wow. Oh, that was the best strike. We finished off definitely strong. Well, okay, guys. I do have to mark which ones are male and female. But this one will be going this weekend. This is gonna go to my brother's house. But that one's a male for number 2. So those are Candinos. And the only other male is a pastel, is number 7. So that's all the normals end up to be female, which is better on my part because normals tend not to, they'll be double head for albino pied, but they tend not to sell for a higher price. So and then for the rest, I got 2 that I might be selling here, a Candino head pied, and also a pastel male, the pastel male. So number 7 and then number 5 or 4 I'm probably going to be selling. I don't know which one yet, because I have spoken for is 1, 2. The 2 males are going to be gone, and then one of the females will be going, so I don't know which one I'll be mailing off to my nephew. And then number 3, which is going to be my holdback out of all of them, what she's eating right now, and I'll leave her alone to eat that, but she's the Candino. All right, well, thank you guys for a little update on my Candino project. I'm trying to get the Candino pied eventually. just trying to do it all on my own. I know you could buy it, but I think it's a lot more fun trying to make the morph yourself. All right, thank you guys. You guys have a good day, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it.